Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the issue how to fix DoorDash order not loading. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've placed an order on DoorDash and for some reason your order is not loading. Well, I recently ran into this issue and here's how I fixed it. So first things first, we're going to do some obvious fixes in which once you place an order with DoorDash, let's go ahead and force close and restart the app. In order to do that, you're just going to swipe up and then swipe the DoorDash window up and that'll go ahead and close the app. So go ahead and reload the app and there you have it. Now, if your DoorDash order is still not loading, the other thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. So the reason why my order wasn't loading was because I didn't have a good stable network, but I was able to place an order. So if you're at an Airbnb, if you're not at your normal location, just make sure that you have a stable connection just because a weak connection is one of the most common reasons why orders don't fall through. Now, aside from that, you could also make sure that you update your app. So if I go into the app store of my phone and then I go ahead and search DoorDash, you want to make sure that DoorDash is up to date with the latest version. Now, if none of those three work, you could always go ahead and log onto a website, the DoorDash website, and see if your order was placed through there. And as obvious as it sounds, just make sure that you actually did place an order because sometimes orders don't fall through because restaurants are closed or restaurants are unavailable, and that might be the reason why your order isn't loading. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix a DoorDash order that's not loading. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.